Welcome everyone, and thank you for joining today's webinar on using Power BI's AI visuals for deeper insights. I'm excited to guide you through how Power BI's AI features can help you unlock powerful insights from your data using the key influencers, decomposition tree visuals, and more. Here at Advisicon, we help organizations achieve greater impact by leveraging work management technologies to accomplish more with less. As work management consultants and technology specialists, our focus is on streamlining processes, improving systems, and achieving better outcomes. In today's agenda, we're going to start by introducing AI in Power BI, how to make the most of AI visuals, how to use AI insights in Power BI, what is the impact of AI on business intelligence efficiency, and wrap up with a summary. Before we dive into our webinar, let me share a bit about myself. I'm Shams, a Power Platform developer at Advisicon. As a CRM and Power Platform consultant, my journey has been all about designing and implementing customized solutions using the Power Platform, which includes Power Apps, Power BI, and Power Automate. Today, I'm here to guide you through our webinar, exploring practical tips to maximize the impact of your reports and dashboards. Let's dive in. Power BI is a powerful tool for creating and sharing interactive data visualizations. However, many users are unaware that they can also use Power BI to leverage the power of artificial intelligence, AI, and to gain deeper insights from your data. Power BI is a powerful tool for creating and sharing interactive data visualizations. However, many users are unaware that they can also use Power BI to leverage the power of artificial intelligence and to gain deeper insights from the data. With the vast amounts of data generated today, businesses face the challenge of deriving actionable insights. Enter Power BI AI, an essential tool for navigating the complexities of data management. Artificial intelligence is transforming business operations by exploring and filtering data, identifying trends and patterns, understanding data meaning, detecting anomalies, predicting future events. Power BI AI offers powerful visual and functional capabilities, empowering businesses to harness data effectively. In this session, we will explore the AI features available in Power BI, their benefits, and how to leverage these insights to drive impactful decisions. Making the most of AI visuals in Power BI. The Key Influencers visual lets you analyze how different factors influence a metric or outcome that you care about. For example, if you want to understand what affects customer satisfaction, you can use the Key Influencers visual to see which factors have the most positive or negative impact on it. To use the Key Influencers visual, you need to select a measure as the Analyze field and one or more fields as the Explain by fields. The visual will then show you a list of influencers ranked by their influence score and a chart that shows how the measure changes with different values of the influencer. You can also use the Key Influencers visual to perform additional analysis such as finding outliers or performing what-if analysis. To do this, you need to enable the Advanced Analytics option in the visual settings and select a scenario from the drop-down menu. The visual will then show you additional insights based on the selected scenario. For example, imagine you're an e-commerce manager and want to understand the factors influencing the customer's purchase decision. By using the Key Influencers visual, you can analyze the data to identify the top factors affecting customer purchase, such as product price, ratings, or shipping time. This insight allows you to optimize your operations and make informed decisions to increase conversions. This insight allows you to optimize your operations and make informed decisions to increase conversions. The decomposition tree visual lets you break down a measure by different dimensions or categories to understand its components. For example, if you want to understand how your sales are distributed by different product categories, regions, or channels, you can use the decomposition tree visual to drill down into these dimensions and see their contribution to the total sales. To use the decomposition tree visual, you need to select a measure as the analysis field and one or more fields as the fields to expand by. The visual will then show you a tree-like structure that starts with the total value of the measure and expands into different branches based on the selected fields. You can also use the decomposition tree visual to leverage AI-based analysis, such as finding high or low values or performing root cause analysis. To do this, you need to enable the AI split option in the visual settings and select a criterion, such as high value or low value, from the drop-down menu, of course. The visual will then automatically split the measure by the most relevant field based on the selected criterion. For example, suppose you're a finance manager analyzing your company's annual revenue. You can use the decomposition tree to break down the revenue by region, product category, and sales channel, revealing the strengths and weaknesses in your business operations. This in-depth analysis enables you to allocate resources effectively to improve performance. Sometimes the easiest way to get answers from your data is to use natural language questions. The Q&A visual lets you ask natural language questions to your data and get instant answers in the form of charts or tables. For example, if you want to know how your sales compare to last year by month, you can simply type sales versus last year by month in the Q&A visual and get a line chart that shows the comparison. To get most value from the Q&A visual, you need to have a data model that is well structured and has meaningful names for tables and columns. You can also improve the Q&A experience by adding synonyms, phrasings, or featured questions to your data model using the Q&A setup tool in Power BI desktop or service. The Q&A visual supports a variety of natural language expressions, such as filters, aggregations, calculations, comparisons, or time intelligence. You can also refine your questions or explore different perspectives using the suggestions or follow-up questions that appear below the Q&A visual. Power BI is a powerful tool for creating interactive and insightful dashboards and reports. However, sometimes it can be challenging to communicate the key insights and messages from the data to the audience. That's where the smart narrative visual comes in handy. The smart narrative visual automatically generates natural language narratives based on the data in your report and lets you customize them to suit your needs. You can also add parameters, conditional formatting, and expressions to make your narratives more interactive and responsive. The Smart Narrative visual can help you add value to your Power BI reports in several ways. For example, you can use it to highlight the main trends, patterns, and outliers in your data, compare and contrast different scenarios or segments in your data, tell a compelling story with your data and guide the audience through your analysis. The Smart Narrative visual is a great way to enhance your Power BI reports with dynamic and engaging text summaries. By using the Smart Narrative visual, you can make your reports more informative, persuasive, and user-friendly. AI visuals in Power BI are a terrific way to enhance your data analysis and visualization capabilities. They can help you uncover hidden insights, identify key drivers, and ask natural language questions to your data. You can also customize and fine-tune these visuals using various options and settings to suit your needs and preferences. Now, how to use AI insights in Power BI. Cognitive Service Integration. Available functions in cognitive services. Power BI's cognitive services offer several powerful functions to enhance data analysis. You can detect language, extract key phrases, score sentiment, and tag images. AI in Power BI is a gateway to a wealth or pre-trained machine learning models, enabling users to augment their data preparation processes with advanced analytics. These insights are accessible directly within the Power Query editor, allowing users to explore and leverage AI capabilities without leaving their familiar BI environment. Within the Power Query editor, users can navigate to the home and add column tabs to access AI features, including text analytics and vision and functions powered by Azure Cognitive Services and custom functions from Azure Machine Learning. Text analytics. It extracts key phrases to text sentiment and identifies languages in text data. For example, you could analyze customer reviews to identify whether they are positive or negative and the main themes. This would be extremely helpful to businesses in understanding their customers' feedback better and implementing improvements. Power BI's vision functions provide robust capabilities for analyzing images without requiring a separate Azure Cognitive Services subscription. These functions enables users to tag images, so automatically assign tags to images based on recognized objects, scenes, and actions. This feature helps in categorizing and describing image content effectively. Generate descriptions. Create human-readable descriptions of images by summarizing their contents, which can be useful for understanding and documenting visual data. By utilizing these vision functions, users can quickly and efficiently extract valuable insights from visual data, identifying patterns and objects that might otherwise be overlooked. Note that these vision functions are available exclusively in Power BI Premium capabilities, ensuring access to the necessary computational resources for optimal performances and scalability. For example, if you have a table in which you have image URLs, this feature will scan all those images and generate tags for you. It's most useful in cases where you are trying to generalize the image or group it together without manually putting any effort into it. Furthermore, Azure Machine Learning integration expands the capabilities of AI in Power BI, enabling users to incorporate predictive analytics and advanced modeling into their BI workflows. With Azure Machine Learning, users can access various machine learning models and algorithms, empowering them to make accurate forecasts and predictions based on historical data. By seamlessly integrating Azure Machine Learning models into Power BI, users can democratize access to advanced analytics and distribute valuable insights across their organization. AI in Power BI enhances data analysis by integrating advanced machine learning models directly within the Power Query editor. Users can perform tasks like sentiment analysis, key phrase extraction, language detection, and image tagging without needing separate Azure subscriptions. These features are available through Power BI Premium, ensuring high performance and scalability. Additionally, integration with Azure Machine Learning allows for predictive analytics and advanced modeling, making it easier to forecast and make data-driven decisions. What is the impact of AI on business intelligence efficiency? The integration of artificial intelligence into business intelligence systems revolutionizes data analysis and decision making. AI enhances BI by applying sophisticated algorithms to analyze large datasets, uncover actionable insights, and support informed decision making across organizations. In Power BI, AI learns from user interactions to become a data expert. It analyzes user behavior and questions to better understand needs, allowing users to access clear and actionable insights without requiring an IT background. AI in Power BI enables users to interact with data using natural language. Users can ask questions and receive answers in plain language, with AI offering personalized insights and suggesting relevant visualization and dashboards. This feature simplifies data analysis by automating data cleansing and preparation. AI enhances data accuracy in Power BI, making report creation more intuitive and engaging. Users can easily build and share dashboards while the platform supports efficient data organization with customizable pivot tables. AI integration in BI transforms data analysis and decision making by leveraging advanced algorithms to process large datasets and uncover insights. In Power BI, AI learns from user interactions to provide clear, actionable insights and simplified data tasks. The natural language interface allows users to ask questions and receive answers in plain language, while AI helps automate data preparation and suggests relevant visualizations. Additionally, AI enhances data accuracy, making report creation intuitive and improving overall data organization. In today's webinar, we explored Key Influencers Visual. This tool helps identify which factors impact key metrics, including outliers detection and what-if analysis. Decomposition Tree Visual. It breaks down measures by different dimensions to reveal their contributions with AI-driven high-low value analysis. Q&A Visual. It enables you to ask natural language questions and receive instant answers in the form of charts or tables, enhancing data interaction. Smart Narrative Visual. It creates dynamic text summaries to highlight trends and insights, making reports more engaging and informative. We also explored AI features in Power BI, like text analytics and vision, which are accessible directly in Power Query Editor for sentiment analysis, key phrase extraction, language detection, and image tagging without needing separate Azure subscriptions. Azure Machine Learning. It integrates predictive analytics and advanced modeling for accurate forecast and deeper insights into historical data. Additional AI benefits. AI-driven learning enhances user expertise by learning from interactions, offering clear insights without requiring IT knowledge. Natural language interface. It simplifies data analysis through natural language queries, automating data tasks. Enhance accuracy. Improves report creation and data organizations with customizable pivot tables and engaging visuals. Thank you for watching this webinar. Please feel free to reach out with any questions, like or follow us on our social media platforms, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We offer many free trainings in our online academy. Thank you again for watching, and we will see you next time.